Thanks for the all interest in Flytec fishing bait boat. On the basic 20115 bait boat, here we launched the V500 upgrade version fishing bait boat. Gun style remote controller, easy to one-hand control. Light control, press the button to turn on the light. Throttle direction, steering direction can be switched. The throttle and the steering control direction can be switched according to the user's habit. This feature only toys model have, so it can be used as a toy beside fishing. Throttle sensitivity slide adjustment. Steering slide adjustment. When control the boat will be affected by the on-site environment, and the fine-tuning key can quickly and accurately adjust the navigation direction for the motors and the different speed adjustment. When the boat is driving to the baiting position of knot bias, the knot should be central and keep stable. Turn the right knot to higher value. The speed of the steering will speed up. Turn the knot to the lower value. The speed of the steering will slower. Turn the knot to higher value. The speed of the throttle will be speed up. Turn the knot to the lower value. The speed of the throttle will be slower. Low battery warning of the remote controller. When the controller indicator light flash, push control the boat back in time and replace the battery of the controller. The controller has 3 charging methods. 1. The dry battery charging. 2nd, emergency USB charging port. 3. Lithium battery. Powerful double motor design with waterproof cover. Independent double zero. Load 1.5 kg bait. 1 key baiting. Pressing the baiting button. To launch the bait, the fish will come and eat it. .4 GHz remote control frequencies, anti-interference, 500 meters long control distance. Long time control, continuous control for 2 hours. If you separate to use that, you can play all day. High sealing and high waterproof. Different version of packing. In addition to the current color box packing, we will soon introduce a handbag package, so you can carry it easily. Tips: Flytec fishing bait boat is very popular in the market. There are many merchants imitation. The quality and material are raw. The upgrade version bait boat is unique in the market. Please look for our Flytec brand.